Ever wonder what makes you vulnerable to narcissists? Have you ever looked back and thought, how did I miss the signs? How did I end up falling for someone like that? Honestly, that's one of the toughest parts about dealing with a narcissist, realizing you didn't spot the trap until it was too late. But being vulnerable to narcissists doesn't mean you're weak. Actually, it's usually the opposite. So today, let's talk about why people, especially those who are kind-hearted and emotionally smart, can be more at risk for narcissistic abuse. And even more important, how you can protect your energy from now on. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, leading with empathy. Sound familiar? If you're someone who always tries to see the good in people, you probably attract narcissists without even realizing it. Narcissists pick up on that empathy. Once they do, they know you'll start making excuses for their behavior, even when it hurts you. You'll give them the benefit of the doubt again and again, and you'll keep forgiving them even after they've shown you their true colors. Empathy is a beautiful thing. But if you don't set boundaries, it can turn into losing yourself. Next. Are you a people pleaser? A lot of folks who've been through narcissistic abuse grew up thinking they had to earn love by being helpful, agreeable, or always available. And narcissists, they eat that up. They love it when you put their needs first. They know you'll always put yourself second, and they know you'll do anything to avoid conflict. They count on you bending over backwards to keep the peace, even if you're hurting inside. But here's the thing, you don't have to turn cold or harsh. You just need to remember, your comfort matters just as much as anyone else's. Setting boundaries isn't selfish, it's self-care. Number 3, are you the loyal type even when it hurts? Maybe you believe in sticking things out, giving people time, not just walking away at the first sign of trouble. Sound familiar? Well, guess what? Narcissists totally take advantage of that loyalty. They know you'll stick around even when love turns into control or when your boundaries get crossed. Because you see what someone could be, not just what they keep showing you. Loyalty's only a good thing when it's a two-way street. If it's just you giving and giving, it can start to feel like a prison, can't it? Number 4, do you ever doubt your gut? You know that weird feeling like something's off, but you brush it aside. But instead of trusting yourself, you overthink it. Maybe you tell yourself, I'm just being too sensitive, or I'm probably overreacting, right? Sound familiar? Narcissists count on you second-guessing yourself. If you don't trust your own voice, it's easy for someone else to take over your story. So from now on, if something feels wrong, it is wrong. You don't need more proof than your own discomfort. Number 5, you believe love can heal anything. And honestly, this one's tough, isn't it? Because yeah, love is powerful, love can heal, but it can't fix someone who doesn't actually want to change. Narcissists totally feed off this idea. They'll let you pour your love, care, and energy into them, but they won't give it back. For them, relationships aren't really about connection, they're about control. Number 6, you ignore red flags because you just want to see the best in people. They lied, they went cold. They blamed you for everything. Maybe they moved way too fast, love-bombed you, or they always played the victim. You noticed it, but you found a way to excuse it. Because you wanted the fairy tale. You wanted the love story. You just didn't want to start over. Not again. But wanting connection can't come at the cost of your own protection. Number 7, scared to be alone? Yeah, that's a big one for a lot of us. Honestly, it's totally normal to feel that way. Narcissists can spot when someone's afraid of being alone, and they'll use it to their advantage. They'll give you just enough hope to keep you hanging on. Then, suddenly, they pull it away and you're left chasing that feeling all over again. Look, being alone is tough at first. But staying with someone who's hurting you, that's even harder. Peace alone is always better than chaos pretending to be love. If any of this resonates with you, it means you're getting more self-aware. You're already starting to break the cycle, and that alone makes you less vulnerable, trust me. I've been there numerous times, but I broke the cycle. It wasn't easy, but I needed to. You just might need to do it too. You don't have to change your kind heart, just protect it a little more fiercely. You deserve a love that feels safe, steady, and real. And honestly, it all starts with how you treat yourself. If you felt seen by this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on something that could help. Thanks so much for watching. All my links are below if you want to connect. And hey, don't forget, you're way stronger than you think.